National Nutrition Natural Health Reviews. 3 minutes of the latest naturopathic info with Canada's leading nutrition experts. Watch, learn, and get healthy naturally.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Beatty, naturopath and a health expert here at nationalnutrition.ca. Do you experience discomfort in your stomach when you eat, or do you experience discomfort when you have an empty stomach? Is there a burning or gnawing pain? That can all be a sign of an ulcer, and that's something you'll want to get checked out with your healthcare practitioner, as ulcerations can actually lead to very serious complications. An ulcer, if it gets severe, can actually lead to internal or intestinal bleeding, and this can actually lead to severe anemias and even death in more extreme cases. So this is why it's so important that if you have these symptoms, you get them checked out and get them evaluated by your doctor. In some cases, they can be a little difficult to diagnose, and you may need to do special imaging, often done with the swallow of a type of fluid called barium, which helps, basically it helps it make it easier for your doctor to see an ulcer on an x-ray. Now, what an ulcer is it's an erosion of the tissue. Basically, it's where part of the stomach or part of the intestine has essentially been scraped away and ulcerated, and that leads to a lot of inflammation and typically a lot of pain in that area. So ulcers can be very problematic. They're associated in some cases with a certain type of bacteria called H. pylori. It's also important then, if you have an ulcer, that you get assessed for this bacteria, because sometimes the success of the treatment is going to result on your ability to eliminate this infection as well. And then, of course, looking at what created the ulcer in the first place. So ulcers can be a resultant of excessive medication use. So using too many anti-inflammatories is a common cause of ulcers. Stress interferes with the way the normal digestive tract works, and that can lead to the development of an ulcer. And then, as I alluded to, certain infections can also cause ulcers. Now, regardless of what created the ulcer, some things you can do to help manage the ulcer, help it to heal up faster. What you want to focus on: aloe vera gel. The same way, or the same reason you would put that on your skin for a burn is the same way you're going to use it internally. The idea of aloe is that it's an anti-inflammatory, and it helps to soothe and heal inflamed tissue, and an ulcer is an inflamed tissue. So aloe vera can be very effective at helping to, again, soothe and heal that inflamed tissue. Other things I like to use: one is a gum, it's called Mastica Chios or Mastic gum. Very effective, a tree gum, and it has been shown to actually reduce ulcers and help your ulcers to heal more effectively. And then there's a special type of licorice extract known as DGL. And what that stands for is deglycyrrhizinated licorice. Licorice contains a chemical called glycyrrhizinic acid that can increase blood pressure. And so taking large amounts of licorice could increase your blood pressure unless you remove the glycyrrhizinic acid. And that's what the DGL has done. So basically what they've done in creating DGL is created a very safe licorice extract that you can use in high dose for the treatment of ulcers that's not going to increase your blood pressure. And so those are some key little tips. And then, of course, another one is utilizing a probiotic. Probiotics send chemical signals to your immune system, encouraging it to help heal up the ulcer, as well as they can help basically create colonies that prevent the invasion of pathogenic bacteria. And so probiotics work twofold in preventing pathogenic bacteria from being able to get a foothold and create ulcers, as well as they manipulate the immune system, teaching it how to heal the ulcer more effectively. So if you suffer from ulcers, I hope this video has helped you. If you know someone that suffers, please share this video with them, because that sharing of health is a really important part of a healthcare community. Any questions or comments can be posted below. If you want to check out more of our health videos, subscribe to our channel. And last but not least, always remember, knowledge is health.